Hey everybody, no intro today because we're just going to go right into the recipe. We're making ribeye steaks in my Bagotte Air Fryer. Please subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell that's at the bottom right. And select all notifications so that way you'll be notified of my uploads. So I have two ribeye steaks here and they're about 3/4 of a pound each. I'm going to season my steaks, both sides, very heavily with chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. This is all I like on my steaks. I don't like my flavors on my steaks to be too complex. So season the opposite side the same way. Also, I also forget to mention kosher salt. So both sides. So after seasoning both sides of your steaks really good, I just like to pick up my steaks and use the residual seasoning that's here on my cutting board to roll the edges of my steak in. My steaks are at room temperature. It's not a good idea to cook cold steaks. So I'm just going to let these sit here for about 30 minutes and then we're going to stick them to the air fryer. So I'm heating up my air fryer. I'm using the Bagotte Air Fryer, and I've been preheating my air fryer at 370 degrees, and I've been preheating it for like 10 minutes. I just wanted to get nice and hot. So my steaks have been sitting at room temperature for about 45 minutes. So I'm going to pull the air fryer basket out, and I'm going to place my steaks in. I have to kind of push it over because they're kind of big. Now, I like my steaks well done, so I'm going to cook my steaks. I'm going to change the time, and I'm going to cook it for 25 to about 30 minutes. Halfway through the cooking time, I'm going to give them a flip. But just cook the steak to your likeness. So I'll be back once my steaks are done. So it's been a total of 28 minutes. After 14 minutes, I gave my steaks a flip and I let them go. My air fryer stopped and I let my steaks rest inside the air fryer for about 10 minutes. And look how beautiful they look. I'm gonna pull these out, put them on a plate so you can see them. I love this. I just love how the steak has that beautiful char from the air fryer. I love it. Here we go. My steak is done. I'm served this with my Vermont white cheddar mac and cheese. That recipe will be coming in a couple of weeks. So I'm gonna give the steak a taste test. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it to it. And you see I'm using a butter knife and it's very tender. It just cuts with ease. So here we go. Let's give it a taste. And it's about almost well done, about 90%, which is really good. That's what I'm looking for. I didn't, have a little bit of It's so tender. And I just love how those flavors from the spices really went through the steak. You can really taste that onion powder and garlic powder. It's so delicious. Now, if you want your steaks a little less done, then cook them for between 15 to 17 minutes. I'm going to taste the macaroni so you guys know what to expect. It's really delicious, very easy to make. I cannot begin to tell you guys how phenomenal this macaroni and cheese tastes. So you can serve this along with the side salad or any other type of vegetable you desire. It's a perfect meal. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, please hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, add this video to your playlist, and please share this video. Thank you so much, all my subscribers. I truly support every last one of you for just taking time out of your day to stop by and watch my videos. And thank you so much for sharing my content. Please continue to share. Please help me get to 30,000 subscribers because I have a special giveaway coming. from Baba Grand's Mexican Vanilla. All right, live and be well, and all of you take care.